OnePlus 10 Pro is just around the corner. It will be official in next month, and yesterday we just get to know the official launch date of OnePlus 10 series, which will be 11th of January. So talking about the design of OnePlus 10 Pro, a promo video just went online on internet which showcased the design of OnePlus 10 Pro, especially from rear side. We can have a clear view of camera design. It is absolutely unique, no doubt, but not interesting. To me, this promo video doesn't look like official one. It might be someone playing with his skills, but definitely it is according to CAD renders we have seen earlier. So OnePlus 10 Pro will be the high-end variant of the series, and hence it is having triple camera setup at rear side. There will be a Hasselblad 50 megapixel primary sensor on rear side and a telephoto lens as well. For rest of the cameras, we don't have any info yet. At the front side, OnePlus 10 Pro is having 6.7 inches Quad HD Plus display with 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, which is really cool thing, and a punch hole selfie shooter at top left corner of 32 megapixel. As it can be seen in this teaser video as well, benchmark scores of OnePlus 10 Pro were also leaked, which you can see here: 3469 multi-core scores and 976 single core scores, and this result is for sure from Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, as it is rumored that OnePlus 10 Pro will be having Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC, and phone will be running on Android 12 out of the box. Talking about the battery side, then OnePlus 10 Pro is rumored to have 5000 mAh of battery with 80 watts of fast wire charging. So that's pretty much it regarding the OnePlus 10 Pro. If you wanna hear more, then stay tuned by subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.